Tons and tons and tons. Maybe not tons. Certainly at least a few pounds of one of my favorite trees' seeds, the king palm. And look at this. So I'm always into variable palms, always looking for the really beneficial qualities as I see them. And we have a whole bunch of king palms here in San Diego. There's a grove of 3 over there, and a duo here, a duo, trio, singular big boy, and then I believe we have one more way off in the distance over there. And I know, and there's more. And you see why I bought this property? I'm just in love with king palms. Well, another trio, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a 7-0 over there. What would you call that? What would you call that? It's an septuplet. It's not an octuplet. Anyway, as you can see, you know, they all look pretty similar. But like, for instance, that head over there is kind of small. These guys here, they're okay. That head's pretty small up there. And those are pretty nice. But what I really like, there's 2 here that I really, really like. And I'll show you. First one is here. And the reason I like this one so much is it has a huge trunk. It's like, look, that's 12 inches. So it's got about probably an 18-inch, at least 17-inch diameter trunk. Sorry I have to use my big, ugly, hairy leg for measuring purposes, just to, like, you know, make you throw up. But it's useful. It's exactly 12 inches. So I really like this tree because of the fat trunk. The head is really wide, but other than that, it's kind of stiff. Doesn't have the curvature the other ones have. See, it kind of goes straight out. So that's a really nice tree. It's rather unique because of the trunk size. But then the other variant that I have here is this one. And look, do you see how this one's unique? This one here. The foliage is really stiff, meaning it doesn't droop. And when you're far off in distance, you really get to see that. And we'll see if we can see that from a distance. Different angle. But it's very unique. I really like it. Here's a little bit better of an angle. You see the difference? It's really a unique tree. See how stiff that is? It's a little more formal looking and just kind of looks like a different tree. I really like it. And so I'm gonna grow a whole bunch of those. See, this one here has tons of droop. This one, for instance, has lots of droop, the lower one. But then as you look at this one, it's totally the opposite. So we're gonna be growing that. I'm gonna collect all the seed right now, pot it up, and you know, in the year 2028, you can call me up and say, hey, all right, I want a big 24-inch box. What should we call it? Stiffy? The Stiffy King. That's what I'll call it. So upright. Stiff fronds. So, yeah, so there's the future right there, people. I'm going to collect it all right now. And, yeah, thought I would share that fun little tidbit of my day with you. And I hope you're having a beautiful tropical day out there.